In nature, great design can survive the millennia. In the same way, the hallmark of quality middleware is its ability to thrive in a changing world. It's designed with elegance and simplicity to interoperate with a wide variety of software and efficiently operate in any environment. These qualities are captured in a remarkable software called NXTera, adaptable high-performance middleware from eCube Systems. NXTera survives and flourishes as the IT landscape changes. It seamlessly adapts to new technologies such as .NET, SOAP, and REST-style web services. At the same time, NXTera retains the ability to natively interoperate with every mainstream development language. Change is inevitable, but there are no limits with NXTera. Inspired by the Dragonfly, NXTera can flourish even as the environment around it changes. Its proven design allows for maximum flexibility. Learn more about NXTera, adaptable high-performance middleware from eCube Systems.